We all know what this is. The spraying of the skies that we all see mostly all the time at night during the day, spraying heavy metals and silver oxides or whatever, and mold and everything else in the sky. So what's unique about this storm is this anomalous cold Arctic air meeting with this warm, moist flow in the southern stream, clashing these two very anomalous extreme air masses, creating this vast precipitation shield of various types. Crazy. And then you got the severe weather meeting up with this energy in the northern stream, just creating a lot of dynamics and a lot of extreme weather conditions. Now, my prayers go out to many who are affected by this ice and snow. It's causing a lot of power outages, a lot of property damage and such. So we keep everybody in prayer. And we know that they want to destroy infrastructure because they're bringing Project Stargate. They want to rebuild just like they did.
Instead, they use technology to put chemicals in the sky. Cloud seeding, for instance, uses silver or lead iodide to try to increase rainfall in a specific location. What's also changed over time is the scale of ambition. Today's advocates of geoengineering don't just want to address droughts or improve conditions for agriculture. They want to control the Earth's climate to address the fake climate change hoax and head off global warming. That, of course, requires massive interventions. I don't think it's the job of the federal government to help these people play God with the weather. In fact, I think it's the job of Congress to protect our people and make sure that weather and climate control experiments and activities do not create adverse, unintended consequences for the rest of us.
People! Honestly!
It's not illegal to record.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's what we're doing.
Yeah. Why are you taking my information down?
Because we have a nice little database.
Oh, good.
And now you're considered a domestic terrorist. So
We're videotaping you?